Now let us go ahead and see whether a function is doing or not what it is supposed to do. So for this I am going to write a simple function that will increment the value of the counter. As soon as this function is getting called, the counter value should be incremented. So I am writing the spec. It should increment the counter value. So first of all, I am expecting the counter value of the component to be 1. And as soon as I am calling the function increment, I am expecting the counter value to be increment and it should be 2. Now let us see how this particular test is getting passed or not. Just save the file and we can see it should increment the counter and this spec is getting passed. So this is what a function can do. And now let us see if this particular function is incrementing the value asynchronously. Suppose that I am calling a function and that is getting the value asynchronously from the server or after some time. So let's see, I am adding a set timeout that will increment the counter value after 1 second. So now let us see whether or not our spec is getting pass or fail. So now it is getting failed because it is expecting 1 to be 2. So the value has not been incremented at that particular point when I am expecting. So for this we have a fake async. So I am wrapping all the content inside the fake async function. Everything is coming inside the fake async zone that we can test asynchronous activities. Still it is getting failed because I am expecting immediate the value to be increment 2. So now I am adding a tick utility to make it wait for 1 second because here I am getting after 1 second. So if I am giving a value less than 1 second, so it is getting failed. So according to the code that is written, it should increment after 1 second. So we are expecting the asynchronous value to be increment and we are sure like it will come after 1 second. Then we are giving the value of tick to be 1000, that is 1 second. So in this way we can test the synchronous and asynchronous function that is changing the value either synchronously or asynchronously. So that's all. Thank you so much.